In the royal palace of Hastinapur, the children of Pandu and Dhritarashtra grew up together. The Pandavas, that is Yudhishthir, Bhima, Arjun, Nakul, and Sadev, played alongside their 100 Kaurava cousins. The courtyards echoed with laughter, games, and wrestling matches. Among them, Bhima stood apart. Blessed with the strength of 100 elephants, he could uproot trees with ease, wrestle multiple brothers at once, and win every contest. Duryodhan, angrily after being defeated, Bhima, you think brute strength makes you superior? One day I shall prove you wrong. Bhima, laughing, brother, if you cannot match me now, how will you stand in the battles of tomorrow? Each time Bhima overpowered Duryodhana, the fire of jealousy grew within the Kaurava prince. What began as a playful competition slowly turned into rivalry that would one day engulf the entire Kuru dynasty. The princes were growing restless and proud. Their games turned into fierce contests. Seeing this, Bhishma knew the time had come. The children needed a teacher, one who would shape their strength into discipline and guide their minds with wisdom. Thus came into Hastinapur the great teacher Dronacharya, calm, stern, and unmatched in the art of warfare. Drona was destined to train the princes of the Kuru dynasty. Bhishma, addressing the court, Acharya Drona, we entrust to you the future of Hastinapur. Teach these princes the art of weapons and prepare them for the duties of kingship. Under Drona's training, the Pandavas and Kauravas honed their skills. But as their weapons clashed and the contests grew fiercer, so did their rivalry. But while innocence still lingered in their laughter, the seeds of rivalry had already begun to take root. Bhima's unmatched strength and Duryodhana's simmering jealousy foreshadowed a storm that destiny itself was preparing. And with the arrival of Guru Dronacharya, the childhood games of the princes would soon give way to the discipline of war and the trials of brotherhood. In our next episode, we witness the princes under the stern guidance of Dronacharya. Arjun rises as the favorite disciple, sparking envy and ambition in others. The lessons of archery, valor, and loyalty become the battlefield where the true characters of the Pandavas and Kauravas begin to unfold. Join us in episode 12, The Rise of Arjuna and the Rivalries of Training.